What's expected of you? As a supervisor, you wear many hats. Your required technical and functional expertise is a given. But moving into a role where you are in charge of coordinating people and tasks, and where your success depends on getting things done through others, is very different from what you've been doing. As a supervisor, you must transition from being a team member to being a take-charge leader. You will likely have many questions and concerns about your new role. You may worry about the way others may react to your new status, or about keeping up with the larger workload as you face new skills such as hiring new employees, developing your staff, and taking disciplinary action. You may wonder how to earn trust and respect from your team, or how to inspire others. No matter what you are thinking, it is a big leap from worker to supervisor of others. What will be expected of you from your manager, employees, and colleagues? Promote communication. Communicate often, send clear messages, influence with style, listen completely, facilitate meetings, and manage relationships. Develop yourself, define excellence, model expectations, build trust, manage time, clarify your values, and develop your skills. Coach employee performance, establish goals, create a motivating environment, coach performance, deliver feedback, and discuss development. Guiding the work, plan and guide work, make decisions, solve problems, delegate tasks, improve processes, understand change, and lead the workforce. Increase engagement, hire new employees, orientate employees, develop individuals, foster teamwork, and address conflict. These are the supervisor skills that will be developed over the next 2 days.